Here to park in Phoenix. Beautiful day, as you can see. Got my brand new Equinox 800 by Minelab. Brought a few items out. I was going to try to make a list of VID numbers, but it kind of, between my GoPro messing up, my pen exploding, and a few other things, it just kind of made it tough. So what I'm going to do is just go through a few things here and show you some of the target IDs. I do have a couple gold nuggets. Let me see. I got some gold I panned here in Arizona. Let me see here. Trying to find out. There's a single nugget somewhere in here that I had. I was trying to find it. There's one tiny single nugget. Let's see. Hopefully you can see it. All right. Anyways, it's in the vial. There's nothing else around it. Actually, I better double check and make sure that's true. Let's find a little spot over here. Okay, there's nothing right here. Not getting any hits. So I'm going to lay it there. Most likely won't hit any of the tones. I am in multi-tone, and this is park mode, but I can get something if I'm almost touching it. I'm about an inch above it. But of course it's not made for nugget shooting. Let me change the mode real quick up to prospecting. And now, usually when you're looking for nuggets, you kind of listen for a zip zip sound. Kind of like that, but not. Okay, so listen to it now in gold prospecting mode. I have the sensitivity default, but I'm about 3 inches up, which isn't bad for multi. I'm going to shift to prospecting 2. Oh, that's a lot more sensitive. But it's hitting it, and I'm at about 6 inches. I'm going to go to all metal mode now. Let me check this out. Did that go all metal? Yeah, that one. No, wait, that all. Oh, that was all metal. Hold on. Huh, picking up in negative numbers, that's odd. Negative target ID. Let me try something. Let's shift out of all metal. Why would it? Sorry, I'm still trying to learn this, obviously. Just curious to why that had a negative number. Oh, I'm back in multi-mode too. That's what I was going to change. I'm sorry. I'm going to change to frequency 40. Here we go. Well, that didn't do a lot. Hold on. Go back to all metal. That is a tiny nugget, so it's tough to detect for most machines anyways. So I'm just experimenting with gold. This obviously isn't a prospecting machine overall, but just want to see its capabilities. That's a tiny little nugget, so anyhow, alright, I just wanted to see what that was like. Good nugget will sound something like that. You got a zip zip to it. Alright, so let's get that experiment out of the way. I have a little, there's a 14 karat gold ring I found on the beach in California a few months back. Let's set that in the same spot. Oops, sorry. It's hard to hold my phone and do this. My GoPro went out. So here's the gold ring. And here's target ID. Hopefully you can see it. I'm in the shade, but it's hard to see out in the sun. $12.13 it's locking in on. Gold does fall low on the spectrum, so but that was 14 karat. I did test another gold ring I had, this broken one I found, and it hit really low, and I think that's because it broke the circle. Kind of reads differently, but that was hitting at about 4 or 8. Let's check out. Here's a $2.50 gold piece from, I forgot what year that was, 1908. Hopefully you can see all this. I can't tell on my phone. I'm gonna have to redo all this with my GoPro. So $2.50 gold piece. 14, 15, locking right on about where that ring was. Probably got the same, it's pretty much the same diameter. And that hit, that's interesting. Let's try this, it's a 1907 Barber half. You see that? See what that hits at? .34, 35. Locks in pretty consistently. Let's see here. What do we got here? Tungsten ring. Let's try that one. I found that a while back. Right at 10. That's low too. It's down in the gold range. Okay, so 10 on tungsten. Let's try. Look at this. Oops, sorry. It's a big old silver Italian made bracelet that I found a while back. That's pretty nice and heavy. I'm guessing that'll hit at the top of the spectrum since it's silver. Alright, let's see. Huh. It's about midway, 1920. Usually with bracelets though, they read differently, necklaces and bracelets, because the, you know, it's not just a big clump of a mineral. It's got the links, so it's kind of broken, so it kind of separates the value, I think, somewhat. But it's a nice silver chain. Let's see what else. There's a 2.5 gram gold bar. So, oops, set it right there. $20.21, locks on really good. Let's see what else we got. $20.21 on the gold bar. That's a 2.5 gram. We got a gram one here and another little gram button. It's a beautiful silver pendant I found out at a World War II site. Did we do that Morgan dollar? 1883 Carson City, Morgan. Let's try that baby out. That'll hit high, I'm sure. $34, $35. That's up to the top of the spectrum too. Most big silver would be. All right, let's see. This is a $10 gold piece, 2003. So I'm guessing this is going to hit low again. Being gold, about 10s or something, I'm guessing. Oh, higher. 20-ish. Big gold coin. Hit at 20. I could probably make notes of these when I go home. I can't remember, did I run this big kilo of silver? It's a huge bar of silver. That's probably going to max out. Yep, 40. Top of the scale. I'm just running prospecting mode, by the way, so it's not getting different tones. Just looking at VIDs. Here is a 1845 large cent. It's a beautiful coin too. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, 1843 large cent. 30. Locked on at 30. Alright. Here's a little, how big is that? 1 gram of platinum. I can't remember if I ran this one or not. I got confused here. 1 little tiny gram of platinum. Kind of around 8 to 10, somewhere in there. So that falls down kind of below gold. Alrighty, what did I try this too? This is a 1 ounce silver Libertad. I think I did do that one, didn't I? we'll try it again, but I think it maxed it out. 36. Yeah, it's toward the top of the scale. That's a whole ounce of silver. It's a beautiful coin too. I like how they wrote the stuff on the sides. Alrighty, well, I'll conclude that for now, but we'll do some more testing. I think I'm going to go out and hunt around and see what this can actually, what it's actually capable of. I want to show you more tests, but I'm kind of excited to play with it myself and see what I can find. But I appreciate everyone watching. And I hope you have a nice weekend. Thank you.